Hey guys, welcome to the video. It's been 3 years since last what's on my desk. As you can see, I'm on a different place right now and a lot of things have changed, but mostly the setup is similar to the last video. But in that I was using Linux. Now I'm switched to Mac. If you're using Windows, then definitely install Linux. It's a game changer. Your workflow would be smooth. Unless you want to game on it, I don't see any reason why you are still using Windows. In this video, we're gonna cover my Mac setup. All the things in this video is something I collected over the years. So the whole setup cost is around 2.66 lakh. I know that's insane, but again, this is not something which I bought once and for all. It's something I collected over the years, probably 4 to 5 years. And overall cost that I paid was around 2 lakhs. Like I have this sheet, which I will leave in the description below, where you can find all the Amazon links. So whenever it is mentioned I bought from Amazon, that has the exact link and the current price. And whatever things I have bought from outside, not from online or maybe on different store, I have given a related link so you can buy on Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this is the entrance of my setup. So this is actually my room. As you can see, there's a temple place and this is my desk setup. Now this home is again rented place. It's my Masi's place actually. So they have made this kids book room, but I converted it into my desk room. So you can do something similar, or you can just buy a table and have it. Like this is my earlier table that I was using next days and my quarter stays. So this is how it looks right now. As you can see, I have some tech show wallpaper stickers. So some motivation out there, very important when you work all day. Now this is my work from home setup. So I actually work from home all day long, and then the tech show and then the YouTube and then the mining and everything happens here. So it's very important to have a nice cushion chair. You have your desk, and make sure everything is in eye level to prevent your back to get ruined. Now I'm thinking to, hover it a little bit, like have some box or something like that so that the monitor raises to my eye level, which is currently not happening. But I would recommend you to do that. Now this is the expensive part of the setup. Is the MacBook Air M1. It's been more than 3 years now, like March 11, it completed 3 years. Still running phenomenal. There's nothing I could complain about this laptop. I mean, it could edit the video, it could edit the code. The battery still runs almost a day. Like I could literally get to a work, which I do sometimes, and I can get throughout the day without charging this machine. This machine is the absolute best. I've traveled it, I've coded while traveling. If you want to buy a computer for work, I highly recommend go with the MacBook. It's a one-time investment, but it's totally worth it. It has paid me 10 times since I bought it, guys. I mean, 3 to 4 months ago, it had some screen issues, but it got automatically resolved. So again, super build quality. You can see the nice display. You have the latest Mac OS with all the widgets and everything. It's pretty good. Now this is the HP K500F keyboard, which was again same as last time. As you can see, it got eroded and everything, but still runs great. It has the RGB lights and everything. Now I might upgrade to a new keyboard, but it's working fine. That's why I'm not changing. There's the Logitech M220 mouse. Again, simple mouse, Bluetooth mouse, works flawlessly with Mac. It's 1000 dpi, so if you're editing and everything, it's super accurate. Now you can see this is the LG monitor. Now I don't remember the exact model number, but you can find in that sheet. I'm using CapCut for video editing now. Learned from the Beast Nation, amazing community. And I edit my videos here. Render times is as fast as possible. Like I would say a short takes like less than 1 minute to render. A long video will take around 1 to 2 minutes, depending on 15 to 20 minutes of video. Super fast rendering speed, super fast, and this monitor is super color accurate. So it might seem like a little bit expensive monitor, but if you compare it, like the colors you see, so whatever you make on it, be it Photoshop, be it video editing, whatever you make on it looks even better on other displays. Because in my Lenovo days, I remember the things that I look on my Lenovo laptop. Say yellow used to look orange, orange used to look yellow, and when I switch devices, I just ruined the experience. Here, anything that you basically color grade is good in all the devices, so highly recommended. It's been more than I think 3 years now. It's running great. Highly recommended. This is the Sony wired headphones. Now I needed wired headphones because I'm in meetings all day and I don't want to mess to charge it up. My MacBook has a 3.5mm headphone jack, so it makes me no-brainer. Now this is actually a mobile stand that I have converted into the headphone stand, because why not, guys? Because now this Sportronics stand, the Sportronics laptop stand, has a mobile connector. So I keep my iPhone here, which I recently bought. Again, iPhone 15 boxing shorts is on our channel. And again, this is the Adam Casa hub. This is a 5,000 rupees hub. It's not required unless you own a MacBook. If you own a MacBook, you require that shit. I don't know why they sell it separately. It should be bundled within the MacBook, but it doesn't happen that way. Nonetheless, you can see simple setup. You have the overhead lights because when you have a lights in backdrop, it's very good in editing and stuff. Like you get like a real visual representation of the colors. The colors are more accurate, and I try my best to improve our video qualities and everything. Now, this whole video is shot on iPhone 15, apart from the intro part, which is shot on the Mi 11 Lite, which I still use as a secondary Android phone. Now, coming to this side of setup, as you can see, you can actually rotate chair here, and I can sit here as well. This is my office laptop. This is a Lenovo's ThinkPad book. It's running on Windows, sadly, guys. I just can't do anything with that. This is Bhagavad Gita I'm reading right now. This is a dense unit for pain relief and stuff. Again, this is the MI charger, absolute beast. So it's fast charger. It works great with my iPhone as well. Though my iPhone doesn't have fast charging, but it still charges very fast. This is a nice mini fan that I've connected here so that when I'm working all day, I need a fan. This is the same lamp last year. It's the Philips RGB bulb with this weird standard board online. It's pretty good to, bring a nice color in this room. Or maybe I can use it for unboxing and stuff. There's some boxes that we are yet to post unboxing of. So there's the Mi trimmer, there's Mi toothbrush, there's the Mi home speaker. Again, this thing is right here, guys. Again, videos are coming soon on that. It's actually coming in the last 6 months. Like recently I switched to this place, but I was not able to create videos efficiently, but I will do it. This is the Realme Buds Air 2. For the price, I got it 2,999. This is insane value for money, guys. This is the Moosh wireless charger for like iPhone and Android. Now my Mi 11 Lite doesn't support wireless charging, but my iPhone does, so I could keep it and it wirelessly charge. Pretty nice setup. Like it's less wires. Wires is only I think for the hub and for the headphone. For this charger. Apart from that, it's very minimal. This is our Boya Lapel mic, which I bought for videos, which I don't use that often, but I'm planning to have maybe a kind of setup where on that desk we will have like a podcast or something like that. But it is in work. It's been work since long. They have nice windows so you can active focus outside. And this is how my setup looks like. All the links will be in the video description. And again, you don't need to spend this much for a test setup. Like you can get a 30-40K laptop. This monitor is good for 8K. This keyboard mouse, I think together is around, 1,700 rupees, and that headphone is 1,000 rupees. So say 3,000 for this, 8,000 for this, 11,000. This is say 40,000. Say get a nice SSD laptop. So around 55K you can get a decent setup, but again, you can have a lot of things, you can have multiple phones, but I just want the best in tech. I'm a tech nerd, as you can see. So there you have it. That's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Show if you aren't already. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.